Hi everyone! Today, we're going to make strawberry Oreo milkshake. Ang una nating gagawin, magluto tayo ng tapioca pearl at hugasan ng tubig at iset aside muna natin ito. Sa isang blender, maglalagay tayo ng ice cream, Oreo, at fresh milk. Blitz it until it's mixed properly. Next thing to do, we will put our tapioca pearls in a glass. And after that, isasalin na natin ang ating strawberry Oreo milkshake. At pagkatapos, let's garnish it with Oreo cookies and it's ready to serve! Thank you for watching! Enjoy your creamy and full of sweet strawberry flavor. Ang ating strawberry Oreo milkshake. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.